Introducing the all-new Hybrid Solutions Pro Rapid Decon All-Wheel Cleaner Plus Iron Remover.
Of course, this can be used on the rims, and for today we're going to be using it on the paintwork as well. This is a fast-acting, acid-free, color-changing formula that safely eliminates contaminants, brake dust, iron particles on the wheels and on the paint surfaces.
So a lot of times, especially on white cars, you can kind of see these like yellow, black, and gray dots. And everyone asks, or my customers used to always ask, like, how do I get those out of my paint, or what are those? And those are, they're on all color cars, but you can just see them more on white color cars. But they're little contaminants that kind of pit themselves into your car that don't come off with normal washing. And so the Iron Decon is great because it's a way to kind of exfoliate your car's paint and kind of grab all those contaminants out of it.
Well, when it comes to iron contaminants, first of all, think about where it's coming from. A lot of times it's coming off your brakes and rotors. It also could be coming from trucks that you're driving behind. And what really happens is if you leave the iron contaminants on the car, they will actually turn to rust, and they'll turn like that orange color and stain like a white finish. You may think your wheel's clean, but it isn't until you use this product. So you'll be able to see what you left behind. It's called a reduction reaction. It reduces rust back to a soluble iron that color changes and makes it easier to remove off the wheel without actually damaging the wheel, because rust can be very abrasive, so if you try to rub it, you could actually do some damage to the wheel. The Hybrid Solutions Pro Rapid Decon technology includes something we call a scent lock. The problem is a lot of the chemistries that are used to remove iron have a very high hydrogen sulfide, rotten egg type of smell. And if you're using the product over and over, you kind of get tired of the smell. Now you have a product that not only is very efficacious, but doesn't have that rotten egg smell. It is going to find a lot of satisfied consumers that are looking for that more quicker reaction time, that more instant, faster cleaning. It's going to meet their needs.
Check out and shop all of Turtle Wax's 2022 fan-requested innovations.